Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing clean, dry palm kernels. Moisture control matters because water reduces yield and causes splatter. Once sorted, crack the hard shells using a hammer or small mechanical cracker, carefully so you don't smash the kernel. Make sure to collect whole kernel pieces. Broken small fragments complicate pressing. You should weigh batches as you go so you can track expected oil yield, typically around 45 to 55% of kernel weight, so you know when to proceed to roasting and grinding. Once the kernels are cracked and dry, roast them to release bound oil. Aim for 120 to 130 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. Watch closely to avoid burning. After roasting, grind the kernels into a coarse paste with a grinder or heavy mortar. The finer the grind, the better the extraction. Make sure to warm the paste to 60 to 80 degrees Celsius prior to pressing because heat lowers viscosity and helps oil flow. Mix intermittently to keep temperature even. You now press the warmed paste in a hydraulic or sturdy manual press. Apply steady pressure until oil flow slows and a dry cake remains. Once collected, let the crude oil settle for 12 to 24 hours so solids sink. Decant the clear top layer and filter through cloth or a fine mesh to remove remaining particles. If you get a stubborn emulsion, warm the oil gently and allow resettling rather than shaking. This breaks the emulsion and restores clear separation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.